Begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. This first action lays the groundwork for your design process, giving you access to all the formatting features the program offers. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the presentation that you intend to work on. Whether you are updating an old presentation or starting fresh, having the correct file open is essential for ensuring that your edits apply to the intended project. After your presentation is loaded, locate the object that you want to enhance with a gradient fill. This object can be a shape, text box, or any graphic element that supports fill formatting. When you find the target object, click on it to select it. Selecting the object will highlight it on the slide, indicating that any changes made will affect only this element. With the object successfully selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the window and find the Shape Format tab. This tab is a powerful tool that contains a variety of options for customizing the appearance of your shapes and objects. It groups together all the essential formatting features in one convenient location for easy access. When you click on the Shape Format tab, you open the door to a range of creative tools that can enhance your presentation's visual appeal. Within the Shape Format tab, look for the option labeled Shape Fill. This feature is responsible for controlling how the object is filled, whether you want a solid color or something more dynamic. Click on Shape Fill to reveal a drop-down menu with several different options. Among these options, you will see an entry for Gradient. Choosing Gradient will allow you to apply a multi-tone color fill that simulates a smooth transition between hues, resulting in a polished and modern look. After selecting Gradient, you will have the opportunity to choose your preferred gradient style. The available styles vary from soft, subtle transitions to bold, vibrant mixes of color. Take a careful look at the choices, considering the overall tone of your presentation. The gradient style you choose should complement your content and contribute to the overall aesthetics of the slide. Applying a gradient fill in this way can transform an ordinary object into a visually captivating element that draws attention and engages your audience. This process harnesses the full visual potential of your PowerPoint presentation by using an easily accessible toolset. The gradient fill feature not only refines the appearance of your object, but also offers flexibility for customization. If you feel the need to adjust the intensity or direction of the gradient, you can revisit the Shape Format tab and explore other related settings within the Shape Fill options. This allows you to experiment with different color transition effects until you achieve the perfect balance that meets your design goals. Following these steps closely will enable you to skillfully apply gradient fills, giving your presentation a sophisticated and professional look. Enjoy the opportunity to innovate with PowerPoint's diverse formatting features, and let the process of enhancing your objects inspire further creativity in your overall design approach.